spend the evening with me as a designer with a full-time 9-to-5 job who also does reselling part-time. In the middle of the week, if I've got more than 3 sales, I will head home and down into my reselling space and pull my shipping and ship those orders. If I don't have at least 3 items, I will wait till Thursday or Friday to ship. And I pretty much always ship on Saturday mornings right now. Now my inventory system is pretty simple. Everything's in tubs. All the tubs are labeled with either a letter or a type of item. In the case of the handbags, I do have a couple of bag tubs that are the same designation. So sometimes it takes me a second to find it within those tubs, but I only have 1 or 2 that it could possibly be in, so it doesn't take me very long to find what I'm looking for. Next, I will take a look at my Vendu and mark off everything that's sold and what it's sold for. Then I'll record my exclusive what sold stories for my Instagram subscriber group. You should definitely check that out if you're interested in behind the scenes info, like what I paid for my items or where I sourced them and what they sold for and all things like that. Next, I'll print out my labels. I use the Rollo printer, the one with Bluetooth. I love it. You can print from your phone, you can print from your computer, you can literally print with anything that's Bluetooth enabled. And as you can see, I use a lot of recycled packaging in my shipping. I reuse pretty much every piece of packaging that comes into my house as long as I can fit it down in my shipping area. I've also been using a lot of the free Ground Advantage shipping supplies that I got from Poshmark, and now we can reorder within the app when you need to restock. So I thought I'd pop in while I'm prepping the next box for this item just to talk about the realities of having a reselling side hustle for a second. I did not want to come down here and pull a reseller shift today. I did not want to do anything today when I got off work, but I am pushing myself because I am feeling good energy. I have the time to do it. It's just, between finding that balance. This is a business. This is something that I owe people packages, and I am trying to collect money for inventory, so I have to keep pushing through on certain days to get this done. I only pull a shift, I would say, about once a week in the middle of the week, and then I pull a shift on the weekend as well. But it's not hard, and I'm very lucky that I get to do it, and I love reselling, and I want to keep doing it, but I just wanted to be real about the reality that it just doesn't, it's not always fun, and it is work, especially after work. So last part of the shift is I will try to get something that I have drafted listed, maybe 2 items, but minimum 1 item, or my choice, I could photograph 1 item and get that uploaded as well. However, I have just seen that we just received an offer on Poshmark for a hat, so let's see if I'm gonna take that offer. Definitely gonna take that offer. I'm gonna print out the label and get that last item packed up. I love it when this happens because I am here, I am packing things up, so it is the best time for an order to come through. On that note, I've had 3 Depop offers this week, and I've accepted all of them, and nobody has checked out. As I ship this, I'm going to share a pro tip with you guys. Anytime you sell hats that are made of natural materials like real straw, raffia, sea sole, they can all be reshaped with steam at home from your iron or steamer machine. So I always put in my listings that the hats can be shipped bent or folded, and they can be reshaped with steam, just to cover my bottom, but also allows me to ship it in a smaller package, or something like this. Otherwise, I'd have to find a box that would allow me to ship the hat sort of like flat with the brim sticking out. And sometimes I do have to do that with larger hats that are stiffer and really they're not soft enough to be kind of packed. Luckily this one is, but in that case, I will have to up the shipping charge just because of the size of the box, not because of the weight. All right, so I'm back at the computer. I'm going to see what I have in drafts from my last photography session, which usually takes place on the weekend. And I'm going to list at least 1 item, and then I'm going to try to motivate myself to get ready for an evening walk. I use Vendoo for my inventory management, and here I'm just pushing some drafts live on a couple of different platforms that I had ready to go. All right, so I got my one listing up for the evening. Now I want to go get changed for a walk. You guys will keep me accountable, and then I'm really calling it a night. I can't wait to settle in with this book that I'm reading, and I have another one lined up that I'm excited to read as well. So I'll let that be my motivation. Let's go get it done. I am officially out for the walk. Thank you so much, you guys. I didn't film it, but I did take a dinner break in between filming this vlog. I have my headphones, and we're gonna go for our 45-minute walk and call it a night. See you guys in the next one.